Reviewing today comes from the company Mychicwigs, and they sent me over their 360 deep wave wig. I'll make sure to leave all the details down below because I'm really not sure of the cap size I received. I believe it's an average cap size, but like I said, I'll leave it all down below. This does come with your soft Swiss lace. It comes with no combs in this unit, so you're gonna have to make sure you are very secure underneath because there's nothing to grab onto your hair with. Now, I don't ever use the side combs, but I do use my back comb at times, just depending on how the wig fits. It does, however, come with an adjustable straps, and you do get a really good amount of parting space. I've already cut the lace off in the back, and I'll cut the lace off in the front on camera. The parting space on this is very nice. I didn't have to pluck the parting space, and you do get a pre-plucked hairline. As far as the hair texture goes, the hair texture is very nice. I did wash this unit and I styled it with my Denman brush, and I left a little bit of my Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner, and as you guys can see, you do get a little bit of spirals in this unit. So I love the curl pattern on this one. I did bleach the knots. The knots took very well on this unit. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I did get a couple of strands of shedding. Tangling during the washing process, I didn't receive any, and I can't tell you about it while it's dry because I have not worn it yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this unit on and style it to my head, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, first things first, I'm going to start off making sure that I clip my sides back. When you are cutting your lace on your wigs, make sure that you have some clips on your hand or something to push the hair back so that you don't accidentally cut the hair. I also have some very sharp scissors. When I'm cutting my lace, I make sure to not cut all of the lace off. So I try not to get too close to the hairline, but close enough to where it will look realistic and that it'll be easy for me to blend in. Now, surprisingly, with this unit, it fit me really good without any combs or anything and without the elastic band. Now, to be very secure, of course, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and wear my wig grip or my wig grip cap just to make sure that it doesn't slide off, because without it, I'm pretty sure it will probably move all the way around if I don't glue it or free spray it down. Another thing I noticed about this unit was that the lace on it did come off a little bit light, even though I did bleach the knot. I'm just taking my Glam Force gel and I'm just going around and making sure I sleek these baby hairs down. Now, with this gel, you do not need a lot. Don't be heavy-handed because it pretty much mimics the Got2b gel, but it is not as heavy as the gel, if that makes any sense. But I really do like this one, especially for light days and when I just want to sleek my baby hairs down without it looking too flaky. Already rubbed some Sleek and Shine serum within the hair, and I'm just going to kind of pick apart those spiral curls that were in the front without messing up the hair too much. And as you guys can see, this hair does get really big, and it says it is 150% density. I definitely believe that because as I was fluffing it up, it started to get heavier and bigger. This unit is 18 inches, which I feel like is a great length, especially for a deep wave or a curly texture, because you guys know I try not to go too long with those types of textures, but it looks very nice and very full. If you want to put it in a ponytail, that is how it will look. And because this is a 360, you can also put this up into a high ponytail. I'm just going in with a little bit more powder in the front just to make sure everything looks blended out. And guys, let me know what you think about this unit. I'll make sure to leave all the details down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye, guys.